Dancing Rooster, Unraveling the Mystery of Idiomatic Expressions. Hello and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, dancing rooster. This idiom isn't just about a bird. It's a colorful expression with a unique meaning. So, let's dive in and discover the world of idiomatic expressions together. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. They add color and personality to our language. For example, raining cats and dogs doesn't mean pets are falling from the sky, but rather that it's raining very heavily. The phrase, dancing rooster, is quite unusual and isn't a common idiom in English. However, it might be used metaphorically to describe someone who is overconfident or showy, similar to how a rooster struts and dances to show off. This section explores possible origins and how it fits into English conversations. Here, we'll explore different scenarios where you can use dancing rooster. For instance, he was acting like a dancing rooster after winning the game, showing off to everyone. This section helps you understand how to naturally incorporate this idiom in everyday conversations. English is full of animal-related idioms. In this section, we'll look at others like busy as a bee, eagle-eyed, or cry wolf. Understanding these will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you insight into English-speaking cultures. Thank you for joining us in exploring the colorful expression, dancing rooster, and the fascinating world of idioms. Remember, idioms add flavor to language and are a fun way to express yourself. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using them like a native speaker. See you in our next video, and happy learning!